Ever looked at a calendar, realized you're already weeks behind, and wondered how a competitor managed to finish the project you're still drafting? The reason is simple. While your team is locked into one standard workday, their project is moving forward 24/7. They've built what's called a global relay. When one team finishes, another team in a different time zone picks up the baton. That's how a 6-month timeline can shrink into just 3 months, all without adding extra staff. If you want to see how outsourcing can actually work in practice, make sure to follow updates from AXA Engineers and subscribe here so you don't miss future strategies that can transform your project delivery. Most companies think of outsourcing as hiring someone for a quick task, maybe a drawing or a bit of drafting, and hoping it all works out. But hope is not a strategy. That's why so many projects stumble. Handoffs get missed, specifications are unclear, and freelancers rotate in and out without ever really understanding your standards. What you actually need is not just a service provider, but a partner who treats your success as their own. Now imagine this. One team completes their updates at the end of the day, and instead of the project stalling overnight, it's passed on to an outsourcing partner in another time zone. For the next 8 hours, the work continues. By the time morning comes, new deliverables are already waiting in your inbox. Day after day, this rhythm compounds into weeks saved and deadlines cut in half. This isn't a theory, it's already happening. Autodesk has highlighted outsourcing success stories, and even the American Society of Civil Engineers has featured companies that turned outsourcing into a real advantage. One strong example is AXA Engineers, a partner that has shown how stability, scale, and rigorous quality systems can keep international projects moving without pause. So, how do you make this work? Step 1. Identify the bottleneck, the stage that, if delayed, holds everything else back. Often that's detailed design, data analysis, or quality review. Step 2. Break that work into smaller, clear packages that can be completed overnight. Step 3. Choose a partner who can work while you rest, turning time zone differences into a daily advantage. The right partner does more than just add speed. They build safety into the system. Firms like AXA Engineers use proven standard operating procedures and a quality assurance framework where every deliverable is checked multiple times by the engineer, by a peer, and by a manager before it reaches you. They also protect intellectual property with strict security protocols and NDAs from day one. Automation makes the system even faster. Many partners now use tools like Dynamo or custom AI scripts to eliminate repetitive tasks, sync files automatically, and run quality checks in the background. That means fewer delays, fewer errors, and up to 15% more time saved on top of the time zone advantage. What really sets leading partners apart is their culture. AXA Engineers, for example, follows a philosophy called high performance and happiness. By investing in both technical skills and professional development, the company creates engineers who don't just follow instructions but take real ownership of outcomes. That mindset translates directly into accountability and consistency for clients. Outsourcing is not a bargain bin of random tasks, it's a multiplier of time and capability. By mapping your bottlenecks, slicing them into overnight tasks, and working with a proven partner, a 6-month project can become a 3-month success. If you're serious about cutting your project timeline in half while keeping quality intact, follow AXA Engineers for more insights. Explore the link in the description to learn about a risk-free pilot project, and subscribe here for future strategies on building high-performance engineering teams.